Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to check and maintain trailer lights and reflectors for safe travels. Trailer lights and reflectors aren't just accessories, they're essential for safe and legal towing. Faulty lights can lead to accidents or costly fines, while poor reflectors reduce visibility, especially at night. Regular checks and maintenance ensure your trailer stays safe for you and others on the road. In this guide, you'll learn how to keep them in top shape with simple, effective steps. Why trailer lights and reflectors are crucial. Trailer lights and reflectors might seem like small details, but they serve an important purpose every time you hit the road. They ensure that your trailer is seen, understood, and predictable to other drivers, which is key for safe towing. Ignoring their importance isn't just risky, it can also be illegal. Here's why these components demand your attention. Legal requirements for trailer lights and reflectors. Every trailer on the road is required to meet specific lighting and reflector standards, and these rules aren't optional. They exist to make sure trailers are easy to see and communicate their movements to surrounding drivers. Most countries, including the US, have clear regulations. Brake lights. These must activate every time you step on the brakes, signaling drivers behind you to slow down. Turn signals. These indicate when you're preparing to make a turn or lane change. Running lights. These keep your trailer visible in low light conditions, like fog or nighttime driving. Reflectors. Placed on the sides and rear, these make your parked or stationary trailer noticeable when headlights shine on them. Failing to meet these requirements can result in fines or even having your trailer impounded. Even worse, it could lead to serious accidents if others can't see your trailer or predict your next move. Impact on road safety. Imagine driving at night or during heavy rain. If your trailer's lights aren't working, how likely are other drivers to see it in time? The answer is unlikely. This is where functioning lights and reflectors can mean the difference between reaching your destination safely or being involved in a collision. Here's how they impact safety. Increased visibility. Reflectors and proper lighting make your trailer stand out, preventing rear-end collisions. Without them, your trailer may look like a shadow in the dark. Communication with other drivers. Brake lights and turn signals let others know what you're going to do next. Missing signals can confuse drivers, leading to unnecessary, or even catastrophic, accidents. Whether it's fog, rain, snow, or nighttime travel, good lights and reflectors are your trailer's voice on the road. Skipping routine checks can leave you driving in silence, and that's a risk no one should take. Preventing penalties and fines. Non-compliance with trailer light and reflector laws has financial consequences. Law enforcement officers are trained to spot defective or missing equipment, and they won't hesitate to pull you over. The resulting penalties can vary but are rarely cheap. Here are some typical scenarios. Warnings or minor fines. If a single light is out, you might get away with a small fine, or warning if you're lucky. Steeper penalties. For multiple issues or blatant disregard, expect higher fines and possible court appearances. Trailer impoundment. Serious violations can result in your trailer being taken off the road entirely. Even beyond cost, dealing with fines and paperwork wastes your time. Why not avoid the hassle altogether by keeping your lights and reflectors in working order? It's an easy way to stay on the right side of the law and avoid unnecessary headaches. When you consider the legal, safety, and financial implications, the importance of trailer lights and reflectors becomes crystal clear. Maintaining them isn't just a chore, it's a responsibility every trailer owner shares to keep the roads safer for everyone. How to inspect trailer lights. Regular inspections of your trailer lights are one of the easiest ways to maintain safety on the road. Whether you're getting ready for a cross-country trip or simply towing equipment a short distance, well-functioning lights are non-negotiable. Here's how to inspect them with confidence. Tools you will need. Before jumping into the inspection, gather a few basic tools. These will make the job easier and more efficient. Circuit tester. Use this handy tool to check if power is flowing correctly to each light. It's a quick way to identify electrical issues. Flashlight. Essential for seeing clearly in tight or poorly lit areas, especially if you're inspecting the lights in daylight and need better visibility. Multimeter. A must-have for diagnosing more detailed electrical problems. This tool measures voltage, current, and resistance to find the source of issues. Replacement bulbs. Keep a few spares on hand for routine maintenance or unexpected repairs. Make sure they match your trailer's specifications. Screwdriver set. You may need to remove light covers or tighten connections during your inspection. These tools are straightforward to use and will save you a lot of trouble if you encounter any problems. Step-by-step light inspection process. Inspecting trailer lights doesn't require special expertise, but it does demand patience and attention to detail. Follow these steps to ensure all lights are working properly. Hook up your trailer. Connect the trailer to your towing vehicle and ensure the hitch and wiring harness are securely attached. This lets you test the lights using your vehicle's power. Test brake lights. Have someone press the tow vehicle's brake pedal while you stand behind the trailer. Look for any bulbs that fail to light up and ensure both sides illuminate evenly. Check turn signals. Activate the left and right turn signals one at a time. Confirm that the corresponding lights on the trailer are flashing. If one side blinks faster than usual, it could indicate a burnt-out bulb or bad wiring. Inspect tail lights. Turn on your vehicle's headlights, which will also activate the trailer's tail lights. Check that they're glowing steadily and at equal brightness. Examine running lights. Walk around the trailer and look for illuminated clearance lights that outline its shape. These lights are especially important at night for visibility. Inspect wiring and connections. If any lights aren't working, examine the wiring harness for frayed or exposed wires. Tighten any loose connectors you spot. Use a circuit tester or multimeter. If you're still having issues, these tools help pinpoint electrical faults. Test for power at each light socket to identify where the issue lies. Small problems, like loose connections or a bad ground, can often be fixed on the spot. Replacing burnt-out bulbs is usually straightforward. Most trailer lights are designed for easy access. Common signs of malfunction. Trailer light issues can sneak up on you, but staying alert to warning signs can save you from trouble on the road. Here are some symptoms to watch for and what they might mean. Dim lights. If the lights appear faint, it could be caused by corroded connections, weak batteries in your tow vehicle, or a poor ground wire. Flickering lights. Lights that blink on and off randomly often indicate worn-out wiring or a loose connection somewhere in the system. One or more lights won't turn on. This is a clear sign of a blown fuse, burnt-out bulb, or a broken wire. Non-functional turn signals. If the turn signal lights don't work, this could hint at a damaged relay or bad connection in the wiring harness. Addressing these issues promptly ensures you stay compliant with traffic laws and prevents bigger electrical problems down the road. Taking the time to inspect your trailer lights can make a world of difference. With the right tools, a step-by-step process, and an eye for warning signs, you'll be well prepared to keep your trailer safe and visible every time you travel. How to maintain and repair trailer lights. Maintaining and repairing trailer lights isn't just about ensuring a smooth ride, it's about safety, visibility, and compliance with the law. Faulty lights can lead to accidents or fines, but with consistent upkeep and quick fixes, you can stay one step ahead of problems. Let's break down how to care for your trailer's lighting system. Cleaning and protecting wiring. Wiring is the backbone of your trailer's lighting system. Keeping it clean, rust-free, and functional is critical to avoid unexpected failures. If you think about all the wear and tear your trailer endures, rain, mud, salty air, it's easy to see why wiring can deteriorate over time. Here's how you can protect and maintain it. Inspect for damage regularly. Look for cracks, fraying, or exposed wires. These are weak points where water or dirt can cause short circuits. Use dielectric grease. Applying this grease to connections helps prevent rust and corrosion. It also provides a protective barrier against moisture. Wrap exposed areas. Use electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to cover any exposed wiring. This prevents dirt and water from seeping in, extending the lifespan of your wiring. Secure loose wires. Trailer wiring should never hang loosely. Fasten it using zip ties or clips to reduce movement and wear over time. Even if your lights are working perfectly, taking these steps can save you from bigger headaches down the road. Think of it as routine care for your trailer's electrical heart. Replacing faulty bulbs or LEDs. When a light goes out, replacing the bulb is usually straightforward. But should you swap out your regular bulbs with LEDs? Many trailer owners are doing this, and for good reason. LEDs are brighter, more durable, and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Follow these steps to replace or upgrade your lights. Check the type of light. Before buying a replacement, confirm whether your trailer uses standard bulbs or LEDs, and match the size and specifications. Turn off the power. Disconnect your trailer's wiring harness or tow vehicle's battery to avoid accidental shocks. Remove the lens cover. Use a screwdriver if necessary to open the light housing. Be careful not to crack the cover. Replace the bulb. If it's a standard bulb, unplug the old one and install the new bulb directly into the socket. For LED upgrades, you may need to replace the entire fixture. Test the light. Reconnect the power, turn on the appropriate light, e.g., brake, turn signal, and make sure it works. LEDs cost a bit more upfront, but they're worth it for their lower energy use and longer life. They're also better at withstanding vibrations, making them an excellent choice for trailers that see a lot of rough roads. Addressing electrical issues. Even the best maintained wiring and bulbs can encounter electrical hiccups. If your trailer lights flicker, don't turn on, or behave unpredictably, it's time to troubleshoot. Here's how to track down and fix the issue. Check the power supply. Ensure your trailer is fully plugged into the tow vehicle's wiring harness. If nothing happens, test the connection with a circuit tester to confirm power is flowing properly. Inspect grounding wires. A faulty ground is one of the most common causes of trailer light problems. Clean the ground connection, making sure it's free of rust or debris, and tighten it securely. Test with a multimeter. This tool is invaluable for checking voltage at each light socket. If there's no current, trace the wiring back to pinpoint the break. Look for blown fuses. Both your trailer and towing vehicle may have fuses protecting the electrical system. Replace any that are blown. Repair damaged wires. If you find any cuts or breaks, splice them back together using wire connectors. Don't rely on twisting wires by hand. It's not secure enough for long-term use. Electrical problems can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down step by step makes them manageable. Keep spare fuses and a multimeter on hand, and you'll feel much more confident handling issues as they arise. By cleaning wiring, replacing bulbs, and addressing electrical concerns, you can keep your trailer lights functioning flawlessly. These small maintenance steps ensure you're always visible and safe, no matter what the road throws your way. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.